Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Comtrade. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last few weeks since we had moved to the new contract. The chart you're seeing is the same 7-minute candlestick chart. I had decreased the scale so that we can have some clarity. If you see the mid of Feb, the price reached a high of around 3,700 here. From 3,700, the price was completely dominated by the sellers and it came down to 3,160. So it was a very big drop dominated by the sellers. After that, it had provided a retracement towards 3,300. We call it as a correction because of profit booking. Then the price had moved sideways. So now what we are seeing is the sideways price action of the market. So in beginning of this, we need to identify in what area we are entering into the active part of trading in this contract. I cannot say this as a new contract since it was trading 2 months earlier. So the phase what we are trying to trade is a consolidation phase which was dominated by the sellers. So there is no doubt about the trend. The trend was downside. But now it is in a consolidation correction stage. For this very big drop, what we witnessed as a correction is not sufficient. Still, we can expect some correction. Two things can happen. One is the price can continue its downtrend or it can go for a correction and then it will drop. These are the two possible outcomes we can expect. But at this point of time, we cannot speak about buying since the overall trend is down. So what we can do today or for this coming week in this new contract, how we can position ourselves. Now I am going to decrease the scale so that we can understand the support and resistance that is happening in this late 2 week sessions or a week session. We could see that the price had taken some support in this 3,320, and in this drop, this particular zone of 3,280 acted as a resistance. It was supported by this area 3,220. So the price it was staying near 3,245. So what type of strategy we can implement? So this area is a toughest area for traders. If it is in trend, okay, it is in downturn, we can go short. But if it is in trend and there is a consolidation, so we need to be a bit careful because at times it can suddenly give a correction. It may result in triggering our stop. So these type of things can happen. So we need to be a bit careful while positioning our lots. Since we had made very good profit in the previous contract, we need to maintain that also. So today you can expect crude oil to open somewhere more or less near the same zone where it closed on the previous Friday trading session. So what we can do? So the one thing is that you can go for selling in crude oil with a very minimum stop loss. This is purely for risk takers. So what you can do, this high what it had created, this particular zone, it shows at 3,293. So you can go for selling by placing a stop near 3,293, and we could say that it is a bit of risky position. Only risk takers can do it. A small bounce back can trigger the stop. But still, if you want to make use of the entire trend, you can do this. If you are a conservative trader, you need to wait because now the phase doesn't have a clear position. So it is in the consolidation phase. We cannot take any risk in this area unless until we get a clear direction. So wait, and then once we identify a perfect entry area, then we will enter into trade. So that this type of strategy for conservative traders or traders who need to wait and then take, you can do it. If you want to take some risk, this is the only way you can do. But again, we want to remind you, never trade against the trend. Suddenly, if you go for buying, there is no point in asking about whether we can take a buy or not. Since the trend is down, always don't go against the trend. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.